Hello guys, welcome back with another show from Crypto Market 360. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install MeteMask on your PC and how you can add BNB Smart Chain onto your MeteMask. So first of all, you have to type MeteMask in your browser. Then you have to go to metamask.io, which is their official website. And then when you come to the official website, you can go to download page and you can see install MeteMask for Firefox, as I'm using Firefox browser. As you can see, these are the supported browsers you can use. So click on install MeteMask, and right now it will come to the extension page, and all I have to do is add to Firefox. So it will take a minute, and click on add, and as you can see that it's being added, and another extension has been come. So you can see that welcome to MeteMask, connecting you to Ethereum and decentralized web. Get started. So click on I agree. Now you have two options. If you have a secret recovery phrase, then you can import your old wallet, or if you have no wallet yet, you can set up a new wallet. So I am going to create a new wallet here. So now I have to create a password, and this password is only valid for this browser. So if I use another browser and install MeteMask again, this password won't work. So I am writing a password now. So you need to understand, you need to memorize the password and never share with anyone. No need to save. So secure your wallet. Here is a short video you can watch. So now secret recovery phrase. So these are the phrase that you need when you want to restore your account. Sometimes your PC got damaged or wallet has problem, then you have to reinstall the extension, or you have to use this wallet in another PC. Then you can import this into with this recovery phrase. So click here to reveal secret words. So these are the words I need to memorize. So don't share these words with anyone. I am sharing these words in video because this is a demo wallet, so I won't use it. Now click on next, and now you have to type. Alright, now you can see that I copied those recovery phrase and pasted in a notepad, so I can remember when I need. So right now I have to confirm that I know my recovery phrase. So first of all is where is it, where, then it's update. Alright, everything is set. Now all you have to do, click confirm, and you can see congratulations, our wallet has been set up. So as you can see, this is on Ethereum mainnet, so there is no other mainnet. So we need to add Binance Smart Chain mainnet, so that we can add coins that are based on Binance Smart Chain. So I am clicking on add a network. You can directly from here previously Binance Smart Chain. So click on add. You can type this manually, but I am clicking approve. Now network has been added successfully. Switch to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, got it. So as you can see, this address is now Binance Smart Chain. So you can here send BNB or any other coin that supports BNB. If you don't see this option in mobile, add network, you can also add a network manually. So go to this website from Binance Academy, connecting MeteMask to BNB Smart Chain. So all you have to do is copy the paste Smart Chain, five, 6. So you can type this way. Okay, so it's showing this red line because I already added in Binance Smart Chain in my MetaMask wallet. So you can also type manually, or also you have the option to select from your click on add network, and you can see all the available network you can add. So this is a video that shows how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So thank you guys, hopefully you like the video, and let me know another thing. Goodbye.